Mama wakwaba wafreme Adwoa searching mesrel na wa subscribe to my channel. Me a notification bell also for more news.
Leading figures. So Professor Professor Adimiye case study because I've been on the other side and I can see the picture. And I'm telling you, sir, there is no absolute impact whatsoever. And I'm telling you, because the dynamics in an election is totally different. If you are dynamics in an election is different. What you say? Said the professor Kenya or Kenya, Ubi Tiakra or share economic hardship, nay, the way things are going, or his social media, and or did determine na mekomi krum Ashanti achim mankala bebuswa. Majority of the youth don't even know anything about social media, and all that they know is that a child now, where the best 17 years, and they free mankala at my back Prempeh College, my former school, I went my bay a science or University of Ghana. No name ma no show. Me call Bosomtwe Kumasi Ashanti region. If you been over 22 years, if you know omunya krachi wumuda. Omu si akufo ado to kabo omu de mirefita na bedo masi. MPP amanyoko no a god in that house. And you are talking about dynamics, baby. It is not about individual. When you say politics, a symbol. Don't forget, there are a lot of people attempt to say obia okotuma we no okotuma we emrewafo no so election days na say emrewafo no o de emrewa me na brewa o ye UP ni na o de ne koso okoto aba o se me de me hwe oso no baby oso no gina na wona de me kokromoti kosi. They don't even care about the candidate that is on the ballot. Sometimes you will get it twisted with a psychological easy will say, but yet ye say you offer ye dofo ye bibiane Alan John Kojo Chemati. Ye nim say sebio sebin preduasa. Ebufuo kuraba if ya wonu kunu tuwe mokunda mokun ema ebe inu akapuna hwenu api akire no obojo ye mu a obeba ye nim say you offer Chemati. Ebufuo Obesamba no about joining the great elephant family. Why bida? Why bida? I'm pennyphone in a kasai, a mobile. Ye himself Obesamba.
But that is the issue saying to Mosha Dana, Moma Fiano say, Alancha Mantidia said
you
have been any more having to a call beba. Because the
man is speaking of Obia
was it 2008 million be an agent away.
The American is there. The American is there. It is not true, sir. Obia for Ira Alan Chematin. Nobody can toy with Alan Chematin as an astute politician where a party. Sebio, you raising one. Upeso who say ye cherishing or party anymore. A Kufuado be a president. He was the first. Your opposition granted Kufuado a man minister, the first minister to be appointed. The party ranks and file will be any J. Ye Kufua Pesu, ye man position a befua a son. Ambassador to the United States. That time we're doing the new dimension of making sure say new HIPIC program and new HIPIC initiative to get Ghana's economy turn around. Alan Chematin was one of the key pillars who led the whole thing. PSI, any those projects are Ghana key trade ministry on an ADM. A chair will say MPP Donald. Enti na bufuo na aba enti ye kan sa ye kan say bi o ye obi tutu nanim na no wi ase de ye call election say the professor kan ye no na bibi an touch ma na say ugina na so ubegina. But I mean it depends on politics no one key thing I mean media to e wi ase am wi ase ina fa na nyina
o de yeah, free health one na yemra last one so na yen sorry so na yemre kopa last one ye enkrofo asetena mu ukọ edwaso a enyoma boa aye din enyoma boa ye den se nyoma ni bi ni obi wo adwane wo ho enso ne boa wuntimi nto na wuntimi nto fridge wuntimi nto tv ene ade aban ni betwa yi bibia fa ho anase we agye nsem otunye hwe fa ho ne yen fa sorry so.
All right, we have two ways, exogenous and then inward, what we ourselves are causing to ourselves. Ghana inflation, most of it is because of greed of the people. Inipano only greedy. Don, baby, Yabeka say, Unya brody and him to interest out town about them. Nti aden na de brodi no gu ye no still out on aboarding.
Nwanwa car sika yate fuel so a driver for so monte so da.
Nti kai yan ko car sika so omo ko fa omo de fa car na e ba me bo a.
Yeah.
And then for 8 months direct yate fuel so 8 months I'm ready to debate anybody. 8 months direct Ghana yate no petrol so. Nti aden na no nipa na all ka say auto brodi no because of petrol ayatutum. Nenso yate petrol so no so on the on te so nent so china. Eno ya aban no. Aban ne bi obeya ne say ye beya na petrol na ba form. Aban ya na fam di ana.
Ah waye.
Nti aden tina wo a wo te bucket wo no. Se wo dia so dia, hu so ma say oh, we are sia ya dinti. Wo mia den no nim so wo su bia doka boto bi na ma on the store mo no so emia. Ebio, let's talk about the final hardship thing that you even brought. Hardship. It's not peculiar to Ghana alone. Don. Toilet roll ya is here. Toilet roll. First near ton be ukra be $6. Utumi to toilet roll. And then over to toilet roll almost $18, $17, $16, $15. When you no fire $12. And the question me person me bisa ne say, I didn't know bro trade the nyama boy dia. Eh okay, ye betua. But Ghana, the Anyama boy, the why should it be so?
Is this something that has been already put in the head of people? Say Enyoma dinner or mine mu yedin aban and ayama or mine mu yedin into
that. Is what I'm trying to explain. Don, that is my work on social media. Nyama ni bu wa aban, but enya bibia na aban. Aban say dollar na wo de ko fa niaman. And na yama na $7 na is stable. Enti aka wo so ba ye no ka wo bet se niaman so anasa ka bet turn the way na wo turn the first na me boa. Adenti na ba ye no. Dollar na is stable but still how person wutum. Because unim say ya nka say ye dwadini no e na de niaman toto na yi so. Ye be ka say aban na aye.
Okay.
So they hide behind aban to bully their own friends, their own people. They hide behind aban to sell their things at high price when indeed the things are supposed to be low. Now, finally, omo construction. Me ma statistics we me pa chodon ko check mame. Tuesday, Obana says me wrong. I can't tell me say me wrong. As we speak, yate cement so how are near to cement 2022 so now cement above form. Okay, depending on what type of cement you're out on. But Tuesday they are making in Abrabe correcting you. So okay. If you think I'm lying, I come and correct you.
Okay.
Iron rods. Ne boy and the packet of iron rods. So.
Okay.
Pioneer nails that the prego near the boy and near them and then Yamiada room. So. Paint. You be paint here. You see that we are paint and they are so. Roofing sheet. You do crew dance so. So who share price and near ton in January. Now share price a ton and die so. So the question is, are they now buying it there or taking a near so? Not a few individuals, one person better so. Now hardship, now ordinary citizens they failing our from. I buy it near man so. Said the bear who I would turn also better so. Not to me munino and I say Rumenino and a son fast. I buy it somehow I was over their own to some